simple, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different, different, different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one.
Hey guys, it's Abena here, and welcome back to my channel. I have been solo traveling in South Korea, and up to now I've just been in the capital city, Seoul. But it's time to explore more of the country. This morning I was running super late, but my taxi driver was the true definition of fast and furious, and somehow I managed to get to the train station with some time to spare to even grab snacks. If you're wondering what a bullet train looks like in South Korea, this is it.
시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천천히 들어가야 해 어쩔 때에는 무작정 들이밀기만 하지만 그런 거랑 차이가 있어 baby
Guys, I lost my water bottle. Can you imagine? Somewhere between rushing out of the taxi, getting my breakfast, and sitting on that train, I lost it. My blue water bottle that has been faithful to me since January this year. I'm so sad. But I am super happy to be in Busan. I jumped on a bus to quickly drop my bags at my hotel before heading out to explore.
Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's delays. Add it up, plus sign, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the beer. Wanna make it bigger.
Hey guys, so I'm so excited to be in Busan. I didn't think I would like it as much. I've only been here for 5 minutes and I love it already. But I am so hungry. So Biff Street is near Gamcheon markets. This area basically has some raising like food markets and food stores, so time to get some food. Taste test. Yummy. Tastes like Chinese chicken, hey? How colourful and cool is this place? After the war, it's actually a place that refugees settled into, and then I guess a couple of decades later the government was like, we should preserve this history, make it really colourful, and it just looks like a kid's playground. It's so cool. So it's currently I think 5 minutes to 4 o'clock, which means the sun is basically warming up for sunset. So I don't really have that much time here, but it's so cute. I'm gonna walk around and just take it all in. And one thing I've enjoyed about my trip to South Korea so far is like I've realized I can't do everything. You just have to slow down and just immerse yourself in a few things that you can get done. And I'm so glad I made it to this one. The village has a ton of cute cafes as well as really iconic cultural landmarks. It's so cute walking around. You know how I initially said that this whole cultural village was created as an effect of refugees settling after the war? So it was the Korean War in the 1950s. People that got displaced came here and created this like village. And this place is called the House of Peace. If you come here, get a map from the tourist center and find it. I've just stumbled across it, right? And on the walls is like writings, and everyone is just writing, hoping for peace in the world, peace in Korea. I really love stuff like this. I think I might write something. Yeah. Good morning, my lovelies. It's currently 8:15-ish. Sun is shining today, so I hope we get good weather again for the second day. I'm really excited because I'm going to do the #1 activity in the whole of Busan. So #1 that tickets are sold out, and I'm really trying to go early to see if I can get tickets for the day, like walk-in tickets. We'll see. They're basically like little trams you can go on. Like Uber's coming in 2 minutes, so fingers crossed. I'm on the capsule. When I got to the front, I was like, I'm just one person, and he was like, yeah, that's fine, you can go on. It's so cute. There's a TV right behind me, and there's meant to be a speaker somewhere, so I'm meant to be able to put on my music somehow. It's a little shaky, but I'm just like praying to God, and I know God is with me. This is so cute. Some of the capsules are actually like got like Hello Kitty or like really cute designs on them. So cute.
그래 미소에 난 취한 것 같아 자꾸만 웃음이 나 어린아이 장난 같아 다정한 밤 공기가 적당한 걸 바랬던 나를 돼 다른 음악이 돼 달콤해.
Guys, this is literally so wholesome. I feel like the stress of like wondering if I would get a ticket this morning has like subsided. Got a ticket, had an experience. It lived up to the hype for me personally. And now I'm walking back along the ocean, and it's stunning. Like it's like a little forest. You've got like beautiful rocks and the sea. And I'm like, oh my god. I'm a blue mind. So I think I've said this so many times on this channel, but when I'm by the sea, my body releases like positive hormones. It's a thing, you should check it up online. I just got off my period, so I feel like I needed that. I needed a boost of positivity. But it's just so wholesome. Also, by the way, I'm so happy. I did something I don't usually. You know, you're like happy, you end up spending money you're not meant to spend. That's what just happened. I got a picture. When I got into the capsule, they were like, do you want a picture? And then the background is whack. It's not the best quality, and like, it's too big of a picture for like my board at home. Like my board at home is for like Polaroids, you know, that kind of small cute photos. But this is kind of too big for that, but I was like, why not? I was happy at the time. And I'm still happy. I had such a good time walking along the coast back to the station, and then popped into this cafe to admire the capsules for just a little longer before going to grab some food. So this is haeundae traditional market. Busan is by the sea, so naturally they had a lot of seafood, like live fish in tanks. It was a lot, but the star of the show is definitely this stand. They sell hoto. I apologize if I butchered that pronunciation, but essentially it's pancakes filled with brown sugar syrup, and you can even customize it and add seeds or honey. It was so fresh. I didn't want to burn my tongue, but once it cooled down, I gave it a bite, and you know what? Yeah, that hits the spot. It's a local delicacy, so that's another reason to come to Busan when you're in South Korea. Good morning, my lovelies. South Koreans love plushies, especially in Busan. I keep seeing these arcades where you can win soft toys. They're everywhere, and it's crazy that this hotel has so many plushies you can like hug and be comforted by. It's very, very cute. Koreans are very cute. Busan, another day in this beautiful city. It's hot today. I actually woke up, turned on my fan in my capsule because I was like, why is it so hot? Busan so far has been so cute. It's very big. I don't think I realized this. I feel like because I've just come from Seoul, which is the capital of South Korea, I also just assume that a capital city is going to be a bigger city I'm going to encounter in a country, but it's not always the case. And Busan isn't as big as Seoul, but it's still the second biggest city in South Korea. It's not just like one color city. It's like it's spread out across like mountains and like cliff edges and stuff. That being said, I do feel like it is still busy, even though it's by the beach and it's really chill and calm. If you chill by the beach, great. The beaches are big, there's a lot of space, there's really nice sand to like lie on and chill. But I feel like when I'm going to like cafes or like popular like tourist stuff to do, there's always a queue. I feel like I've been queuing up, and this morning I woke up and I was like, oh, I don't think I can do another queue. I really don't. So I'm gonna try and go to places that I'm like will have maybe a bit more space today, maybe not as like well known. They're not off the beaten path. These are places I found on TikTok, so like people know about it. But I'm gonna try and find some like more low-key stuff to do, and yeah, I'll take you guys along. But oh my god, it's my panda. What should I call the panda? I feel like I'm gonna call the panda Po because of Kung Fu Panda. If you're wondering, is the ramen as good as a view? I think it is. It's actually not too spicy. Maybe she did that because she knows I'm a foreigner. She's got like egg in here, she's got like these like mushrooms. I want to say that they're shiitake mushrooms. Let me show you guys. These ones, very good. She also has like this in it. Oh, she also has like this thing in it. I want to say it's some sort of fish cake. I don't think it's eggs. I think it's like some sort of fishy something. And I also have this on the side. I'm not sure where it is, and it's like orange, but I'm kind of like, maybe it's a pickle. Let me see. It smells like citrus, so pickled. That's so interesting. It's like pickled orange. Guys, right, let me show you properly. Can someone let me know? If not, I'll Google it. I honestly believe that when you're traveling, you just need days where you can walk around and just see what you can find. Like this cafe in the village where they give you a foot bath. I know, right? So you sit in front of the view, get a massaging shoulder pad, a little iced tea, and just enjoy it for like an hour. I also passed by this other cafe. I was actually on my way out, but it was just too aesthetic for me not to go in. The view here is stunning, and they even had books in English, like the perfect cafe date. Guys, I'm actually so annoyed, guys. So annoyed. Can you imagine? I booked an Uber and the Uber driver arrives. It says on the app he's arrived. I walk up to the car. A group of women get into the car. I show the Uber driver my phone saying, hey, like, this is meant to be my ride. And he just drives off with the other women in the car. Doesn't cancel my ride. He's driven off like 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers. I'm just stood there. And obviously, like, language barrier, so I couldn't even say much. I was just trying to show the phone saying, hey, like, this is my drive. And they were like, oh, you need to pay a cancellation fee. Cancel. I was like, oh my days, why am I cancelling a drive I'd never had? I was so frustrated. Anyway, made it to what is meant to be like the biggest department store in South Korea or Asia, maybe? Anyway, they're meant to have a really cool spa here. And so I thought I would come visit. I don't know if Korea is like Japan where like they have onsens, which are meant to be like naked spas. You literally go in naked. I don't know. So yeah, I I spoke too fast. This is Spa Land, and they have a Korean bathhouse, which means you're going into the pools naked. However, there is also a normal spa part with saunas, massage chairs, lounging space, and they give you this uniform. It's like pajamas, and you roll your towel on your head. Listen, I just ended up looking like one little elf. Santa's helper. Anyway, it was a good time and a really great way to end my trip to Busan.